Okay, so Danika's mom is here. So good thing we got her. She's doing laundry. Okay. Okay. Good tag. Okay. Oh, all right. This is this is their place. That's Danica right there. How are you?
I'm okay.
Good. What did you do? Hmm? Saan mo gibuhat gang?
Nanghugas kay karon pa na naggikan
Okay. She just arrived from digging the garbage there. It's like a big playground right there. But it's full of dirt. Anyways. Okay, so that's them.